If you want to log into Telegram on desktop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to get signed in using either a QR code or your phone number, so you can start using Telegram on your computer in just a few minutes. This is a quick and beginner-friendly guide, so even if you've never used Telegram desktop before, you'll be able to follow along step by step. Before we begin, please make sure you hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you download Telegram desktop first and then launch the app. Once it opens, you'll see the main welcome screen. From here, click Start Messaging to begin the login process. Now Telegram will give you two different ways to sign in. The first option is to scan a QR code using a phone that is already logged into Telegram. The second option is to log in using your phone number. If you already have Telegram on your mobile device, the QR code method is usually the fastest and easiest. Let's go through the QR code method first. On your desktop screen, you'll see a QR code displayed. Now pick up your phone and open Telegram on the mobile app. Once you're inside the app, tap Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security, then tap Devices. In the Devices section, choose Add Device. Your phone will open the camera scanner, and now you can scan the QR code shown on your desktop screen. Once the QR code is scanned successfully, Telegram desktop will automatically log you in. After that, your chats, contacts, and messages will sync to your computer, and you'll be ready to use Telegram on desktop right away. If you don't want to use the QR code, you can also log in with your phone number. On the desktop app, choose the phone number sign-in option, enter your mobile number, and follow the verification steps that Telegram sends to your device. This method is also simple and works well if you prefer typing in your details instead of scanning. A quick tip here, make sure your mobile phone has an active Telegram session before using the QR code method, because that is what allows Telegram to confirm your login securely. And if you ever want to check which devices are connected, you can always return to the Devices section inside Telegram on your phone. And that's it. You now know how to log into Telegram on desktop using either a QR code or your phone number. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.